अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल टेक्निकल मुर्शिद। तो सबसे पहले मैं आपको अपने चैनल पर आने का शुक्रिया करता हूँ और आपको खुशामदीद करता हूँ। अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो इसको सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन के बटन को प्रेस नहीं किया तो इसको काइंडली प्रेस कर लें। तो आज मेरा टॉपिक है इजी पैसा ऐप को कैसे इंस्टॉल करते हैं, कहाँ से करते हैं, उसके रिव्यूज़ के बारे में आपको बताऊँगा। टोटल रिव्यूज़ आपको सिंसेर होकर सारे रीड करवाऊँगा। तो सिंपली चलते हैं हम अपने प्ले स्टोर की जान में। आप सबके पास प्ले स्टोर तो लाजमी होगा, तो सिंपली आपने प्ले स्टोर को ओपन करना है। जब ओपन करेंगे कुछ इस तरह का इंटरफेस आपके सामने शो हो जाएगा और देखें सामने आपको एक सर्च ऐप एंड रिव्यू ऐप्स के बारे में लिखा नहीं है, तो उसके बारे में आपको पता चल जाएगा। तो सिंपली आपने इसको क्लिक करना है। तो यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे, जैसे कि आज का मेरा टॉपिक है इजी पैसा के वाला है, तो आपने इंस्टॉल भी उसके बारे में भी देखना है कि आप कैसे कर सकते हैं। सिंपली यहाँ पर आप लिखेंगे इजी पैसा ऐप। ठीक हो गया, ये देखें मेरे पास डाउनलोड है। तो जहाँ पे मेरा ओपन का निशान है यहाँ पर आपको आ जाएगा इंस्टॉल का। ठीक है, तो आपने सिंपली उसको इंस्टॉल करना, देन आपके मोबाइल में इंस्टॉल हो जाएगी। तो आई होप श्योर आप लोगों को समझ आ गई होगी कि किस तरह एप्लीकेशन को इंस्टॉल करना है। तो अब जैसे कि मैंने आपको कहा था, मैं इसके सिंसियर होकर आपको सारे रिव्यूज़ के बारे में बताऊंगा। तो सिंपली हम चलते हैं अब रिव्यूज़ की तरफ। मोहम्मद शाहिदुल्लाह कहते हैं, डियर ऐप मैनेजमेंट टीम, आई बीन a loyal user of your app and I believe in the potential. However, been expressing some challenges lately. The app has been crashing repeatedly despite my efforts to resolve it by restarting my phone and clearing cache and data. I would like to kindly suggest that you investigate and address the issue to enhance the user experience. Additionally, transaction and managing the mobile packages have been quite time consuming recently, taking hours. Telenor Macro France Bank Limited ने inquired, dear customer, we are sorry for the inconvenience caused. Kindly provide details about the लग जाएगा about the problem you have faced in order to get resolution. The issue, bad app tried to use it for order and did not work. Had I returned, had trouble logging in over MN connection to its own server. Even through there was no maintenance downtime. Tried reinstalling it and still did not go further than the page that asked to enter your own number. It's highly unreliable. Use other app instead of this. You won't regard it. फरीहा आशिक कहती हैं, I have had a bad experience where I am stuck the 72 hours of account package and I am left the stuck transaction. My account shows multiple mobile access whereas I never had an access to the account and help center is unable to provide assistance as well. Can we trust the app for other with amounts and hog transaction limits? What's the use of it's not even secure? I recently announced a very frustrating issue with this app. I received notification that my device was blocked for 72 hours due to an alleged attempt to access multiple EasyPaisa accounts. I must clarify that I have ever used one account and I never trying to access any other account. That situation has left me bewildered, and worst part is that it has left my payment stuck. I have to make an impaired transaction, and now I am stuck to very bad experience. It was a very good app. I used it's a couple of months, but recently I am facing too much difficult logging and the app. I update the app, still the bloody logging issue. I called on helpline like multiple times. They have not solved the problem. They just dropped the line. I am still facing the same problem, trying to long for last 4 days but not helpful. This app was good before update, but now it's very slow. Even during transaction, many times it shows error if someone sends amount into my account. Sometime amount is not showing in my account, and whenever I go for transaction history, every time it shows network error. Something went wrong from last week, getting too much troubles while using the app. Sometimes it's not logging in, saying network error. Sometime when it gets logged in, it's not showing complete interface. Third, when you want to transfer amount and select the beneficiary, then again it shows errors message. Kindly solve this error as soon as possible, thanks. This is the worst mobile banking app that's one have I tried had. It's never run properly, and mobile data connection and is buggy and high speed Wi-Fi. Whenever one has to make an urgent payment, the app will keep you waiting for entering the at least fix the bugs of just a customer that app won't work, no data connection. It was one of the best application earlier, even better than Jessica. Still, his interface is good, and there are good features, but their customer support system is not a facet. They have also started charging SMS fee per month without information informing which in macro France app charges SMS fee now a day. Nowhere other platform give in incentive to pay bills. Easy Pesa charges more tax. It has become laggy and keeps you waiting. Other competitors are much better. This the app is very heavy. There very slow details. I wanted to take a usual mobile package which I had taken previously. Yeah, also however the app was very slow. It gave me option what quite many time, but I had to take package to all cost, so I keep waiting. Ultimately I succeeded in taking packing, but it took 13 minutes and I missed the instruction time bound even it is the manhole. Janison, the Azipasa app offers the seamless and conventional way to handle financial transactions from mobile top-ups to bill. It user-friendly interface and extensive service offering make managing finance on the go a breeze. However, access technical glitches and may affect the overall experience. I am using this app for last few months. My experience on this app very good. Unfortunately, this app does not have payment method of Payoneer. You need to add this feature in this app. I hope you will take action on my request. I was looking for the option of Payoneer. Unfortunately, you could not add this option.